Hello! Hey guys, it's Barb. Thank you for watching. So today I'm gonna share with you a few of my favorite products of 2023 that I will continue love and use and buy in 2024. So let's do it! Okay, so I'm gonna start with a few makeup products. So here we have the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. And here we have the Front Row CAIA Cosmetics Foundation. So I found this makeup brand a few months ago. It was literally all over my Instagram, like every ad was literally with this foundation. I tried their Front Row line, the foundation and the concealer, and I really like the foundation. It reminds me a lot of the Fenty Beauty S-Job foundation, which is one of my favorite foundations ever. So that was one reason that I really like the CAIA Cosmetics foundation. I really like the texture that is light and comfortable and glides over the skin with a sheer to medium buildable coverage, I would say. And also it gives a very natural and luminous finish, which if you know me, you know that this is what I always go for. And for this foundation here, this is my baby. This is my ride or die foundation. It's an award-winning foundation. It gives an instant glowy skin, glides on weightlessly for a flawless finish. And also I really like that it has a buildable coverage, improves textures and blurs the imperfections. So even if you are a full coverage kind of girl, or if you're like me and you like a more natural and more lightweight finish, this foundation can please both sides, so I highly recommend it. It's a 10 out of 10. I didn't buy this foundation in 2023. I bought it, I think it was in 2022, but this foundation is my favorite, so probably will keep showing you this foundation to every favorites video. So next I'm gonna show you this Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel. I don't have many things to say about this clear brow gel. I've been using this for a couple of years now and I really like it. I really like that it keeps your brows in place for many hours and also they don't look fake. Okay, and last but not least for this category we have this lip combo. It's the lip liner by MAC in a shade Real, and we also have this lip gloss, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Hit in the shade Lemon Lava. Every time I wear this comp I get so many compliments about my lips. Like girls come to me and ask me what's on my lips, like they look really good, they look really nice. The reason that I like this lip liner is because this color is very similar to the color of my natural lips, and every time I use it they look kind of bigger. And also I really like that it stays for many hours, like even if you eat something, if you drink something, it's still there, like it doesn't fade. And for this lip gloss I really like the color. It has this glossy and sparkle effect, and also I think it makes your lips kind of bigger. Just try these two products together. Okay guys, so next we're gonna move on to the hair. I don't have many products to show you. Like this year I stick to my old ones. So I will start with you my favorite hair oil ever. I've been using this for 4 years now for sure. I don't even remember. I think that nothing can top this for me. So it's the Moroccan oil treatment. This hair oil has helped my hair so much throughout all these years. Like besides the other products that I use for my hair, I think that this hair oil is doing the most. My hair is very healthy and also my ends don't break, which is something very important. It delivers a long-term conditioning without leaving residue, so it doesn't make your hair oily. So yeah, highly recommended. And the next thing I want to show you about the hair is this Hitless Curls Kit. You probably weren't expecting this, but yes, it's true. It's one of my favorite things of 2023. It gives me the best voluminous bouncy curls. Like if you watched my last video, you know what I'm talking about. Every time I use it, my hair literally looks like I just got out of a hair salon, and I'm here for it. Also guys, this is not even a kit. On my last video I told you that I probably have lost somewhere the second hair tie. That's why I'm using this white one. And also with a kit you take a hair clip, which I don't have. It's very cheap and you can literally find it anywhere. And also another very important thing, you don't use heat on your hair. Okay, we're moving on. I'm gonna take you to something completely different. I'm gonna share with you my favorite activewear brand. And the only thing I'm gonna say is 2 words: Honor Active. I'm sure that you've heard of this brand before. It's very popular. All the products that I've used are literally perfect. I don't own many products which I would like to invest. I have a few leggings and tops. So I brought here these leggings so I can show you what I'm talking about. I wish you could touch this, guys. Like it's super soft. It feels like butter and it has this lightweight seamless fabric. It literally feels like second skin when you wear it, and it's very flattering. Like it flatters the right areas. Also it has a very stretchy fabric, and also really like this scrunch on the bum because it helps to define and separate the glutes. And even their tops and the sports bra and everything, they're very supportive. You can find many colors and styles and literally anything. I really want to buy any product to any color and any style. Okay, now skincare wise, in 2023 I was doing a treatment for my skin for like 7 months, so I couldn't really experiment and try new products, but I still have 2 products to share with you which I really liked. So number 1, I have this sunscreen. It's the Beauty of Johnson. I really like this sunscreen because it feels really nice on the skin. It's very lightweight, and just because we wear it in the morning and during the day, it's not something heavy, which I personally really like. It makes your skin really glowy, and also it gives you this healthy look and finish. Also it has SPF 50, which we're here for it. We need the protection, and also it sits very well under the makeup. And the second thing is this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is the mango flavor. I've also used the grapefruit flavor. I think it was the grapefruit. Yeah, it's really nice. It keeps your lips very hydrated. You can also use it as a lip gloss, you know, with a lip liner. It looks really good. It makes your lips very soft and smooth. It's enriched with vitamin C and coconut oil, which helps a lot. And yeah, I really like it. Okay, now we're gonna move on to something different again. I switch things so you don't get bored. So I'm gonna show you this baby here. It's the Stanley cup. I'm sure that you've seen this before. Okay, people have mixed feelings about this Stanley cup. I personally really like it, and it was a really good purchase for me. I would buy it again. I literally take it anywhere with me. Like if you see me outside, you probably will see me holding this thing. It's very big, so it helps me to drink a lot of water. I have like 3 of these on a daily basis. It keeps my water very cold, and especially during summer, that was the best thing ever. Like I literally took it with me on the beach. It was under the sun and my water was still cold. Very high quality. Can you find a similar cup in a different brand, like and kind of cheaper? Yes, you can, but I don't know if you can find the same quality. Okay guys, so next I have this foam roller. Another thing that you probably weren't expecting. This thing here literally saved me. I've been flirting with one of these for years now, and it was the best decision ever to buy one. I go to the gym like 5 times in a week, so my muscles get very sore. Just because I can't have like massages very often. This thing here can give you a massage at home. So yeah, I really like it. I use it pretty much every single day. I bought it from this brand called Jim Beam. Just try one of this, like your muscles will thank you. Okay guys, we're getting there. I only have 2 more things to show you. So just because I like to look tan and bronze all year long, I'm using self-tanners, and this one is one of my favorites, the Bon d'Essence Aero Self-Tanning Foam Ultra Dark. My second favorite is the Filter by Molly May, which I don't have it here because I ran out of it. I need to buy a new one. These 2 self-tanners are my favorites ever. I switch between these 2. They give you a very natural color. They're not sticky at all, and also they have a really nice smell. If you prepare your skin properly, if you put it carefully and blend it very well all over your skin, you will have the best results ever. Okay guys, and last but not least, I have to show you one more thing, this concept planner. This was my 2023 concept planner. And this year I bought this one. I'm sharing this with you because it literally helped me a lot. My life looked and felt so organized, and I was very motivated on a daily basis, and it really helped me to be more productive. I really like it because I write down my daily tasks or weekly goals, yearly goals, my appointments and ideas for my work, for things that I want to do or anything. I feel very organized, and also I really like this feeling that at the end of the day or the week or the month that you can see all the things that you've done and how productive you were, and I don't know, it feels like a mini achievement, I would say. So yeah, I highly recommend a concept planner. It will help you a lot. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box as usual, and I will hopefully see you to my next video.